show you my house. I live in this home. It has many rooms. All rooms are not the same. This is my bed. I sleep in this room. This is my bedroom. I watch television with my family here. This is our living room. There are so many books. We use this room to study. This room is our study room. My mom cooks my favorite dishes here. This room is our kitchen. I bathe in this room. This is our bathroom. We eat our breakfast and lunch on this table. This room is our dining room. This room is filled with things. We store things here. This is our storeroom. We use different rooms for different things. So, you see, all rooms are important. Can you tell me, in which room do we sleep? Bedroom or study room? Yes, it's bedroom. In which room do we cook food? Kitchen or living room? Yes, it's a kitchen.